This is more than just a garnish. This is a daikon radish. Daikon radish is loaded with vitamin C. Specifically, it has a digestive enzyme called amylase. And when paired with any meat or fish that has glutamic acid, those two things combined create for a extremely sensational, savory umami experience in your mouth. In other words, this paired with meat is an umami bomb. To cook the daikon radish, gently simmer the daikon to render its tender and subtle sweetness. And it's a perfect addition to lightening this short rib soup. Did you know that daikon is part of the brassica family? That's right, it's a radish that is related to cauliflower, broccoli, and kale. And unlike its cousins, daikon is all about the root, hence its 2,000-year-old East Asian name, meaning large or big root. Even though daikon is an ancient vegetable, it has surpassed many food trends over the course of time. It remains one of our most popular vegetables in Asia today because of its versatility of its 300 varieties. Yup, that's right. Daikon is more than a garnish on your sashimi plate. Daikon can be grated as a component for salad. It could be pickled, stir-fried, deep-fried, braised, grilled, fermented, and dried, all of which are delicious. But my favorite way to eat daikon is in a meat-based soup such as pork. The addition of the braised daikon adds a natural sweetness that highlights the mellowness of this root, with potato-like texture, but only lighter. Do you want to know the best part? Unlike potatoes, daikon is very high in fiber with an impressive nutrient profile. Daikon is an excellent source of nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, and copper, but it's especially high in vitamin C and folate. Vitamin C is great for your immune system function, tissue growth and repair. Folate helps with the growth and development and is a super integral nutrient during pregnancy to have healthy babies. There you have it, my favorite daikon recipe, Canh Củ Cải Trắng, as taught by my mother. What's your favorite Asian vegetable? Answer in the comments below. This episode was made in partnership with CCHP. CCHP delivers high-quality, affordable healthcare through culturally competent and linguistically appropriate services to the community since 1986. For the full recipe, please see the link in the description below. Alright everyone, that's it for today's episode for Cooking with Chef 2. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, but most importantly, make sure you hit the bell so you get a notification every time a new episode airs. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time on Cooking with Chef 2. Peace out.